This is the inCharge-X by Rolling Square. Rolling Square sent me this inCharge-X to see if I wanted to review it, which of course I will only ever give honest reviews on my channel, as long-term members would know. It's a funny looking thing. It's a USB adapter and charger. Now what is that, you say? Well, I must mention it comes in different colours. This is the one I chose, black. I'll show you what it is. You can check out the website too, and it'll tell you all the specs, but pop off this little rubber protective cap there, and held together by magnets, strong magnets, is this. Okay, you say, well, what's that? Well, there's a USB connector there. Here's another type of connector here, but on both ends you do this. You gently pull it, and it rocks either way. There's another type of adapter, same on the other end, so you can do it either way. Is yet another type of adapter, you see. So basically this is a, you can use it as a USB charger or USB connector for data. Now I've given it a thorough test before I film this, and it does charge faster. Charges up to 100 watts of power, so yeah, that should charge faster, and the data flow is quite fast too. Check out the website for the info, but it's quite well made, very tiny, and the point is, okay, so you can adapt whichever fits into your device to another device. So that could be, for example, this covers Apple, micro USB, USB-C. So you take any USB or USB-C connector and plug it into a power source to charge, or simply use it for data transfer. It's so small, if you can tell how small that is, that yeah, you can virtually carry it anywhere. In the change pocket of your wallet or purse, clip it onto your belt if you want, onto a keyring, or if you're that way inclined, put it in an earring if you really want to be noticed. And it yeah, has the protective cap to carry with it, which just slides back on like this. So yeah, a quick little review, but quite a handy device. I quite think it's clever. And the thing is too, if you use the discount code Steve Mack Actor, which will also be in the link below, you'll get 20% off your entire order on any products on the website, limited to one use per customer. They're cheap anyway, but you may as well save even more money if you're interested. So yeah, that's pretty good. It's the Swiss Army knife of cables, let's say. And it just, yeah, even if you want to plug it into your phone charger, it will charge much faster than it does with the traditional cable, most likely. Nice and easy to carry, portable. So I thought I'd show you that quick review. And yeah, share something new to me. And I know that, look, every week I get a couple of offers from companies, and I'm always dubious whether they're legitimate or not, so I usually just delete them. But I know that Rolling Square has been around for a number of years, so they're reliable and it's not a dodgy scam or anything like that. Okay, until next time. Cheers.